with some smooshy LOL surprise. Smooshy mushy, I mean, guys. It's a bubbly surprise, and I'm here with my mum. And it's a smooshy mushy, that's how you can tell it is. And LOL, so you know it's an LOL one. And at the back, I didn't even notice that, but my mum did. So we're going to start getting it open to see what we get inside. So my mom's just going to open it. It's a bit hard. You have to take off the wrap. And yeah. So guys, this is what we got. It's really like plain pink. It's a bit dark pink. And LOL surprise, it says, with polka dots, love hearts, and triangles. So I'm going to open the lid now, guys. Whoa, guys. What's this? So, guys, this is what we got. It says, hey, over here, unbox me and me first. And, like, these little, like...
Bubblegum.
It's like candy too. It can be whatever you want, but it does say bubblegum, so you should make it bubblegum. And like little marshmallow with pink,
So
like strawberry.
Cool. And it says,
hey, over here. I think I said that. Me first, unbox me. Oh, I said that already.
Smooshy mushy, oh so smooshy,
Oh,
oh
so
so squishy.
And it says LOL bubbly surprise.
Should we open it up now?
Yeah, let's take off the lid.
Let's see what we get. Whoa!
We got like 6 bowls and a big surprise here in the middle. It's like an what is that? Is it a drink? But what kind of drink? It's pink, I think, or white.
It's a
Vanilla?
Smooshy mushy cupcake.
Oh.
It says cup and cake.
And there's wrapper. We'll open that at the end.
Yep, we'll open that last. So we just put that on the side. Yep. And let's open. Which one should we open first? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blind balls to open.
So my mum and me is going to open it together. So mum, do you want to open one? And I open one at the same time?
All right.
I'm opening this.
I'll open this one.
I got the light pink. Ready, set, go.
Oh,
wow. Guys, I got a strawberry.
And I have a marshmallow, chocolate sprinkle marshmallow.
It's like the one on the paper over there, but it's different color, like on the top.
That's right.
The other one doesn't have like the circle on the top because it's just for a picture. But when you get it, it will. Like there, I have one to put the key in.
So cute. So we'll just put it here.
And we'll put the bowls on the floor.
And let's see what we get next.
I'm going to open this color.
You can open first, Evie. Yep.
Oh my gosh, guys. I got a pineapple. Look how cute it is. Oopsies. It's so squishy. Put that in here. Green on top. And then a little circle there.
My turn. Let's see what I got.
A lollipop.
I have a lolly. A blue lolly
With
a
a
pink
bow.
bow.
And the face. And look, it's like a swirl.
And you can squish it.
And it just comes
That is
back.
so cute. Let's put it here.
And
So we've got 2 to open now. Another 2 to open.
which one do you want to open?
I'll open this one since it's here.
And I'll open this one because it's next to me. Ready,
Oh, it's stuck in there. Yep.
set, go. Guys, I got a skunk. A little skunk with a bow.
With a red bow on the top, is it?
Yeah, a bow.
Yeah.
Look. And then the tail is a tail at the back too. It's a white tail.
And I have a bear with a blue bow. So cute, guys. Oops. And now we have the
big surprise cupcake. Is it pink or really light?
It's a light pink lid. It's like a drink bottle, actually. You can probably drink it from here. See? Cool.
Yeah. No, it's like a coffee because coffees have that.
And it's series 4.
So we got a series 4. And it says Smooshy Mushy Cupcakes.
So let's open it.
We can get any of these, but there's more. So this is what we got. Hot cocoa. You can't see the picture yet. And there's something at the back here.
Extra
whip.
Rainbow sprinkles.
Mini marshmallow.
Cool. Let's see what we got. Let's open it, Evie.
Guys, we got a little mini bottle with some keyrings.
So cute. Matching as the big one.
It's pink, and I'll put it here. And then we got a little blind. It's purple.
Blind bag. We'll open that soon. And let's see what we got inside.
We got... Is this? What is this?
Oh, look, it's so cute. What is this? It has a little heart cookie. What does it look like? Squish.
Also, guys, there's something else what we can get.
Let's open it.
My mom's gonna help me. There's heaps to collect, guys.
There is. There is
Wait,
a
where's
lot
Al?
to collect.
Is this a
Al is
different?
here.
Oh, we get a little lollipop. Let me show you something else.
It's called Molly, Mia, and Sarah Sprinkle Pop.
And we also got this too, guys.
It's like a sticker.
With its little bestie. We'll put that next to it. And the bestie can go there. And also we have a name tag, guys. It says name. We can name it. And there's like chocolates falling. And at the back it says Mushy Mushy Cups and Cakes.
Shall we open the blind bag now?
Yeah. So we're just opening. This is the hardest part, I think, to open. And when we open that, so I'm gonna take out. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's a little lollipop with sprinkles for some reason. Normally we don't have that. It's a white lollipop with color sprinkles, purple, red, and blue sprinkles.
And it's got a smiley face.
And it's like it's blushing or something. And then a little stick here. So we'll put that there.
That is so cool. Do we have anything else?
Oh, yes.
Cool. We also have a sticker.
Another one.
So cute.
Mum, you can hold that one and I'll hold the other one to show them what they look like.
Oh, so pretty.
This one here, what I'm holding, this one I'm shaking. We got it from the bottle right here. And that one we found in there.
Yeah, so this one maybe next time we might get this one. So that is all from us today, guys, from the Smooshy Mushy LOL surprise.
So we'll just show you what we got before we end this video. So we got a marshmallow, squish it,
Oh, we got a little bear.
And we got a little skunk with a bow.
A blue candy with a pink bow.
A pineapple.
A strawberry.
And a lollipop.
And this big squishy. So we custom made this Mushy Mushy LOL surprise, guys. We hope you liked it. If you do, please comment down below and we will make some more custom LOL surprise.
And it's definitely going to be Smooshy Mushy and some other girl stuff.
Thanks for watching Evie Cutie Pie, guys.
Make sure to subscribe my channel and click that like button. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.